red and white. Complementary hair sarong, coconut shells, necklace and hairpiece. The color red is the foundation of the flag, representing courage. The color blue, surrounding the three stars, represents freedom. By contrast to each other, signifying what it took to achieve independence. The three white Talataina are representative of the white stars, symbolizing purity. The coconut shells, as worn by Hope, are naturally found resources within our homeland, and that represent our tree of life. It is finely woven with nive or coconut husk. In completion to her sarong, Hope has significantly chosen a white frangipani as her hairpiece to symbolize the beautiful Talataina of Samoa.
And our final contestant in this category, contestant number 6, please welcome June Nive.
Shines so bright throughout Samoa, which is where she is